All right, y'all, today we're back out in Waxahachie, Texas in the Levante neighborhood, and we're gonna be taking a look at this beautiful John Huston home behind us here. This is their Madrid floor plan, and it's 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. It's got an office and a game room with a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre, and it's 3,139 square foot. It's currently priced at $769,900. It is beautiful inside and out, so let's go ahead and get after it right now. All right, y'all, so here we are on the inside of this beautiful Madrid floor plan by John Huston Homes. As you can see right here on the entryway, you've got 2 big, beautiful double entry doors. And we've got frosted glass letting in lots of natural light. And we've got a tray ceiling right here at the beginning in the entryway. Got a coat closet right off the entryway as well. And then the office is right here up front. We've got this beautiful wood look tile throughout the home. Got a ceiling fan in here, also a tray ceiling here in the office. And we've got 2 big windows looking out to the front porch and front yard. We've got double doors to close the office off here as well. Now swinging around the corner, opens right up into the big living room, 3 big picture windows looking out to the backyard and back porch. Got vaulted ceilings here all the way through to the edge of the kitchen. Got this beautiful stone fireplace right here. We've got the built-in cabinets on either side. This is a gas log fireplace. There is a buried gas tank here on the property, and that gives you the gas for that gas log, for the hot water heaters, the tankless hot water heaters, and then also the gas range over here in the kitchen. We've also got double doors heading out to the back porch on this side. There's also another entry to the back porch over here as well. This right here, it's all open, but this is probably where you would have a nice dining table set up here. Got really good lighting, got tons of cabinets and storage space here. I love that beautiful herringbone pattern there with the beautiful blue tile with the white cabinets, and then the beautiful countertops here. You've got under cabinet lighting. You've got lighting in the cabinetry that's going all the way up to the ceiling as well. So you're not going to have any storage problem here. You've got so much counter space. Really is a beautiful kitchen and dining room area. You have a huge island right here that can definitely seat 4 at least, if not 5 seats. Got this beautiful 5-burner gas range from GE. And then you've got a vent hood that is vented outside. We've also got a GE dishwasher right here on the island and a very deep ceramic sink here. Over here we've got stacked double ovens and then the microwave stacked above it. All GE products. and then a nice big spot for a refrigerator there. And we've got a walk-in corner pantry here, continuing with the wood look tile all throughout here. We've got carpeting in all the bedrooms except for the master, and it's a split floor plan design. So let's go right over here and show you the master real quick. So we've got the wood look tile, once again, continue on into the master. We've got 3 windows looking out to the backyard. Very, very beautiful scenery out there, very private right now. And then we've got a vaulted ceiling here as well in the master. So this is a big master, and it feels even bigger with that vaulted ceiling. And we got double doors, French doors heading into the master bath. Got this big, beautiful standalone tub right here. We got 3 windows looking out to the side yard. Now, obviously, these are not frosted, so you're gonna have to have some kind of window treatment for privacy, but it is letting in a lot of really good light. You got these split vanities right here. And then we've got a nice linen closet in here. We've got a toilet in this room, and then we've got a nice walk-in shower tiled all the way up to the ceiling. You got a rain shower head, then another shower head here. Got a nice bench seat there. A niche right here for storing soaps and shampoos. And then your controls on the wall here for each shower head. That right there is gonna be a really no fuss shower, so you don't have any glass to be worried about. And then the bottom is sunk down in, so you're not gonna have a ton of water splashing out. Even if it does, you're really covered because you got good tiling everywhere. Got a tray ceiling in here on the ceiling in the master bath as well. Check out the master closet. No carpet in here. We got wood look tile again. So I love that. Got plenty of hanging space. You've got your controls right here for your tankless hot water heater on this side of the house. There's another tankless hot water heater on the other side of the house for the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So on the door, we've got the light control. And then this opens right up into the laundry room. Got a space for your full-size washer and dryer. And then right out into the hallway here, you could put a mud bench and everything right here. And we got a 3-car garage in here as well. Got the sprinkler system for the sodded areas. Got attic access. This whole home is encased in closed cell foam. Very energy efficient. All right, so this is the hallway that goes to the master. We kind of did a big loop there. Now we'll go on over to the other portion of the house. So once again, we talked about this home having an office as well as a game room. So there's the other access door to the back porch. And then here is the second full bathroom of 3 full bathrooms. Got a vanity right here. Got the toilet, and then a nice walk-in shower with a tiling all the way up to the top. It looks really beautiful. And then here's the game room right here. So we've got carpeting in here, and then there's no windows back here at all. So you really, I mean, if you really were in a pinch, you could use it as a guest room. Technically, to count it as a bedroom, you do need a way to get in and out. Obviously you've got doors over here, but they like for you to have windows as well. So this would be a tough one to really count as an extra bedroom, but I guess you could in a pinch. Probably just couldn't market it that way for resale. But this is all ready to go, pre-wired, and you're not gonna have to worry about a whole lot of light coming in here. You just cut the lights really quick, and it is all set up ready for your movie night. This bathroom, I think, would be the one, obviously, that guests would come and use, because it's the most easily accessible bathroom. All right, coming around here, we've got another bedroom in here, but this one does have the wood look tile. So that is one difference here. Got a window out to the side, and then in here you've got a closet. Now you don't have any real shelving or anything, but you could probably put a dresser in here or just put up shelving if you want to. But it's a nice big size closet. All right, in the bathroom in here, we've got a single vanity, nice big mirror, and then another walk-in shower with the tiling all the way to the top there. Really nice. And then got your toilet and a towel bar right there. And as you can see, more controls for the other tankless hot water heater on this side of the house. All right, in this hallway here, got another linen closet. Got this bedroom here. Got two windows looking out to the front yard, and then some more transom windows up there, letting in tons of light. Really tall ceilings in this bedroom here. Nice big closet in here. You've got the light switch down here on the door. So as you close it, you can see the light turns out, turns back on with the switch on the door. All right, fourth and final bedroom here. We've got two windows looking out to the front yard here. And then nice big closet here as well. All right, let's get out to the back porch now. Take a look. It's a nice, long, covered back porch here. And then there's also gas that's stubbed out already and ready to go for a gas grill. Beautiful Madrid floor plan by John Houston Homes here in the Levante neighborhood, Waxahachie, Texas. All right, y'all, once again, just to recap, we're in Waxahachie, Texas in the Levante neighborhood, touring this beautiful John Houston home. This is their Madrid floor plan, and it's got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a 3-car garage. It's got an office up front here, a game room in the back, and then it is 3,139 square foot, and it's currently priced at $769,900. This, as you can see, it's just absolutely beautiful. Got these beautiful vaulted ceilings in here and then in the master as well. You've got all this storage space in the kitchen. This would be a perfect home for entertaining. Got these beautiful double doors here, and it's just really, really pretty. And it's in the back of the neighborhood here in Levante. And as you can see back there, you still got all the tree line on the back of the neighborhood as well. There's going to be some more homes back there, but you're still going to have that as a nice backdrop. So this being on 1 acre, you got plenty of room to spread out, and this is right down near Lake Waxahachie. So it's real pretty, very easy access into downtown Waxahachie. You can get there within 5-10 minutes, depending on what part of Waxahachie you're going to. And then it's a really easy commute into downtown Dallas, 30 minutes. And then downtown Fort Worth, you can get there in 45 minutes up 287. So beautiful home out here if you're looking for a nice 1-story home on an acre, and you know, really, really nice home here. So if you got any questions about this home, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. Once again, I don't represent the builder in this video, but I can help represent you. So many of you have been reaching out, telling me about your plans for 2026 and beyond. And it's been so great getting to know you and talk about your plans and seeing how we can make those a reality. So once again, thank you so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate you all so much. You have a good one, and I'll see you next week. Y'all take care.